Everybody knows the stress and anxiety that comes along with public speaking. Whether it be in front of thousands or just a small remote classroom, when you step up to give your speech, sometimes you just panic. Hi, my name is Matthew Rickey. I'm an intern and student here at Florida Gulf Coast University, and today I'm going to discuss some strategies and tips on how to reduce your speech anxiety. Before you even arrive at your speech location, there are a few things you should do. The first strategy I want to discuss is making an outline. It is important to map out the main points and major information you want to go over. Don't be ashamed of leaving yourself notes such as, "You got this," or "Take a breath," "Smile," or "Pause." This will motivate you and help you practice your speech. With that being said, the second thing to do before your speech is practice. Although that may seem obvious, many presenters neglect the importance of practicing a speech beforehand. Practicing your speech beforehand will ensure you are comfortable with the material, allowing you to reduce your speech anxiety during the actual presentation. The next strategy I want to discuss is positive visualization. The main thing to do here is to imagine yourself giving the speech, but instead of thinking of all the negative outcomes, just think about how you can perform the speech to the best of your abilities. Thinking positively will not only make you feel more confident, but it will allow you to be more comfortable in front of the audience because in your mind you're already nailing this speech. Once it is time to give your speech, there is a few important tips to do during your speech. First being, don't memorize your speech. It is important to feel comfortable with the information you are speaking on, but avoid following a written script. This will only increase your anxiety as you will be focusing on specific words and phrases instead of the information at hand. Although some speeches allow the use of note cards, don't rely on them. If you happen to lose them or misplace them before your speech, you're left out there to freeform your speech, and that's never good. Lastly, if you stumble on your words or lose your train of thought, it is important not to panic. Just take a deep breath or a pause and then continue rolling. Apologizing or getting angry will only make yourself seem unprofessional. Some skills and tips to keep in mind to reduce your anxiety are again, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more you'll feel comfortable presenting the information. Don't forget to breathe and stay relaxed. I know giving a presentation can be stressful, but keeping a low heart rate and breathing will help reduce your nerves. Knowing your audience is also important, as it is key that all audiences react in different ways. If you're going to be giving a speech in front of a large audience, maybe take a few minutes to visit the area before presenting, as you may get overwhelmed when standing on the stage before giving your speech. As long as you follow these strategies and tips, you'll be just fine on your speech. Just remember to breathe, and you'll do just great.